Good morning. Open your social studies book. Lesson number 5. The Southern Plateau. This area we can see the plateau. Plateau means what? Plateau is raised stretch of land that is flat at the top. It resembles as a tabletop. Hence it is also known as tableland. So see here, land is not the same in the everywhere. Like this type table, raised land. Everywhere that land is down, but this raised land is called plateau. If topper portion is plain, topper portion is flat. Flat means plain, like this type. This is called a plateau. Next, so see that plateau we can see in our country in the southern side. In the south side we can see the plateau. So see here, this colored portion is plateau. So plateau is triangular in a shape and lies to the south of Narmada. This from here to here, from here in the south side Narmada, this is in the triangular shape. This plateau is lies to the south Narmada. It is broader means this is long length from the north side and northern is narrower in the south. This in south side we can see the narrow portion and north side we can see the broader बड़ा रहता है. So and the states which states that this plateau is occupied. See here, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka. These in Tamil Nadu. In these all the portion is plateau is covered. This mostly is situated in south side. So in the half portion of Kerala and half portion of Odisha. In this side we can see the plateau. So see here, the southern plateau lies on the south of the northern plains extend up Kanyakumari. The plateaus are extend in Kanyakumari from north to south. South side we can see the Kanyakumari of the India. Now southern plateaus is surrounded by the hills. Everywhere we can see the hills. We can see in surrounded hills we can see. So to the northwest side we can see northwest here. Northwest of the plateau lies the Aravalli hills. Here we can see the Aravalli hills are here. This is northwest side. So next northeast side, the western Ghats we can see. Here western Ghats are there. Ghats means that Ghats are very we can see on the hills portion to down we are move, that is Ghats. So see in the west and the eastern Ghats lie to the east. Here also we can see the Ghats and here also see the Ghats. We can move on the mountain from like this type zigzag we are going on that mountain, that we have to pass the Ghats. So see, Ghat lies the east and Nilgiri and the Cardamom hills are towards the south. Here we can see the Nilgiri hills and Cardamom. Cardamom means Ilaichi. Ilaichi ka or Nilgiri. That hills we can see in the south portion in the Tamil Nadu. Next, the river of this region are seasonal and not very big. In this south side which rivers are flowing, that all the rivers are seasonal, means when the rain is raining, that time only these all the rivers are flow with the full of water. So in the summer season we can't see. Why we can see here? See, seasonal and not very big, since they are dependent on the rain. All the rivers are depend on the rains. In the northern plains rivers are larger. North side we can see the Ganga, Brahmaputra, that already I explained in the previous lesson. So that all the rivers are throughout the year they are flowing full of water. So but in south side these which river? Narmada river is the biggest river that is flowing only in the rainy season. Are larger there, source lie in the glaciers and snow covered mountains. So northern plains are always full of the water. Why? Because that all the rivers are found from the glaciers, that all the glaciers are full of covered with the snow, and then when the summer season, that all are melt and flowing in the rainy season also. During the poor monsoon, in the river may even dry up in the southern plateaus. Southern plateaus, why they are dry? Because they are flowing very high speed. That's why that in southern plains rivers are in the summer season they become dry. In the north side rivers are why they flowing in the summer season? Because that all the rivers are covered with the snow clads. In the summer season, that are all the snow clads are melt and they are flowing in the summer season. But in these rivers are in the summer season they become dry up in the southern plateaus. The rivers in this plateau flow with a great speed. In the summer season, all the rivers are flowing very great speed. But northern side the rivers are flowing on the same flow, same speed. In the summer also, in rainy season also. Even from the waterfalls, the Jog Falls in the Karnataka is one of the highest waterfalls in the India. This is what? This is a waterfall, Jog Falls. This is, we can see in the Karnataka. This is one of the highest waterfalls in the India. So, Narmada divided the huge plateau regions into the two parts, central highlands in the north and Deccan plateaus in the south. Here central highlands we can see in the north side and Deccan plateau you can see in the south side. So this is Nilgiri hills and there we can see the Cardamom hills also. So do you understood this all? Now see here, southern plateau lies to the south of the river. Which river is southern plateau is lie? This is Narmada. This Narmada river that is flowing in the southern plateau. And the dash is one of the highest waterfall in the India. What I said, the Jog Falls. This Jog Falls is in Karnataka. It is one of the highest waterfall in the India. Now that in the Narmada divided into two parts. Now what that two parts I said? Central highlands and north, that is in north side, and Deccan plateaus in the south side. That we have to go that I am explaining on next period. So this you have to complete, this you have to read and complete. Next period be ready with the book and I am explaining. Thank you.